Hello teacher and class, my name is Kong. I would like to begin our presentation about the topic Selenium WebDriver with our group member including Nguyễn Quang Phúc and myself. Let's get started. First of all, I want to talk about the contents of the presentation. That is, the first is what is Selenium WebDriver. The second part is how Selenium WebDriver works. Third part is the functionality of Selenium WebDriver. The fourth part is benefits of Selenium WebDriver, and the final part is the demo, and we're gonna talk about that. Let's get started. In this presentation, we will delve into Selenium WebDriver, a powerful tool that automates web browser. We'll explore its functionalities, advantages, and how it operates behind the scenes. By the end, you will get a comprehensive understanding of how Selenium WebDriver revolutionized web-based task automation. Now, we dive into the first part. What is Selenium WebDriver? As you can see, Selenium WebDriver is the backbone of Selenium, empowering you to automate web browser action using code. It acts as a bridge between your test script and the web browser, translating your commands into action the browser understands. This enables you to automate tasks like launching browser, navigating to websites, interacting with elements, and verifying content. This toolkit also includes four components: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Remote Control, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Uh, for more information, I would like to explain what is Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, and Selenium Grid. Well, Selenium IDE caters to those who prefer a more user-friendly approach. It functions as a browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Imagine recording a macro of your actions on a web page, as that's essential what Selenium IDE does. It captures your clicks, form filling, and navigation as a script that you can play back later. While it doesn't offer the full flash of power of WebDriver, Selenium IDE is a fantastic tool for beginners and for quickly prototyping test case without diving deep into code. Next about Selenium RC, or you can call Selenium Remote Control, through consider legacy these days hold historical significance. It pioneered browser automation using a server-client architecture. Imagine a remote setup where you write test script in a language called Selenium on one machine, while Selenium RC paves the way for modern tools. Its functionality has been surpassed by the more powerful and versatile Selenium WebDriver. The last part is the next component is Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid comes into play when you need to take your automation to the next level. Imagine having a fleet of virtual drivers, each with a different car, browser, and operating system. Selenium Grid acts as a central hub that coordinates this remote machine or node. You can leverage Selenium Grid to run your WebDriver test script in parallel across these diverse environments, significantly improving the efficiency of large-scale test execution and cross-browser testing. Well, compared to the remaining components, Selenium WebDriver is rated better just because it allows users to run test command directly using the web browser. Okay, then we're gonna talk about how Selenium WebDriver works. Selenium WebDriver operates seamlessly behind the scenes. Your text code written in the chosen programming language acts as a commander. It sends instructions to the WebDriver specifying the action you want it to perform in the web browser. The web browser then acts as a translator, converting these commands into a format that the browser driver understands. Finally, the browser driver takes control of the web browser, mimicking user interaction based on the received command. Well, to continue the presentation, I would like to talk about the functionality of Selenium browser, WebDriver. Uh, the the Selenium WebDriver offer a rich set of functionalities. You can use it to launch various web browsers, navigate to any web page by its URL. It empowers you to interact with web elements by filling forms, clicking buttons, and uploading files. Additionally, you can leverage it to verify content on web page, ensuring elements like text, images, or any other visual aspect are reasoned and displayed correctly. From the beginning of the presentation until now, we have learned about what is Selenium WebDriver, how Selenium WebDriver works, and the functionality of Selenium WebDriver. Now we're going to talk about the benefit of Selenium WebDriver. The benefit of Selenium WebDriver shine in web application testing. You can create text script to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and effort. It also facilitates cross-browser testing, allowing you to test your web application on various browsers to guarantee a consistent functionality across different user experience. WebDriver offers the additional benefit of supporting a wide range of programming languages, providing you with the flexibility to choose the language that best suits you, your project, and your skill set. Last but not least, we will move to the next part is the demo, and I would like to introduce my partner, Phúc, to introduce about that.
Hello teacher, hello everyone. As you mentioned from Hưng, you might have some understand of a Selenium WebDriver, like how it operates, basic function and commands. How so? Now I am Phúc. I will guide you on how to install and operate WebDriver on real web like here. The web I will demo today. This web. This is my web of the university. So before driving to automation test, I will guide you on how to installing the Selenium driver. So the first step, we need to open the Visual Studio like here. So the first, this is the old demo. So I will close this. Open the new Visual Studio like here, and you will choose create a new project. So in this you will write in here WBF. So if you cannot see in here, you will install more to filter, and this will open another window. You need to download, you need to install WBF, and after you install it, you will have in here WBF application and choose it and click next. And in here you will write the project name. Maybe it's Selenium. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. I will write in equal WebDriver 1 because have the old WebDriver is in here. So now I will and I choose the location of this. Maybe logo to in here or maybe it's outside. I will choose go outside. So I need to choose. Okay. No, cannot because I need to WebDriver 1. So I need to indicate. So after click next and create it. So if you open the window, this is the window, the first window in here, the second window you can code in here, So that is running. Okay. The so the second step, you need to add the library to perform testing function on Visual 2D. So click in here, right click. So you can see. So let me check it one in here. Click in solution. So in here, solution SELENIUM WebDriver 1 in here, and you can see respond NuGet package. Let's install it. Oh my god, I'm have some mistake here because you will choose SELENIUM not a solution in here. SELENIUM with C# in here, and I choose management package, and after that you will choose browse here and install. You need to type in here is SELENIUM. Let's check. After that you will need to download the SELENIUM WebDriver in here and SELENIUM Firefox or Chrome. If in your computer or your laptop have a Firefox, you can download in Firefox. If have another is Chrome, you can also need to download from Chrome. So in this I will demo with the Firefox WebDriver. Try after that and install in here. If you want to run it, you need to download the Firefox right here. Firefox download, and you can click in here Mozilla download Firefox, and you will download here because I have it's already in here, so I will not download again. So let's check. Let me open the old code because I just describe for you how to install it. So I will close this and open the old code. So SELENIUM WebDriver. After you download the SELENIUM WebDriver and SELENIUM Chrome WebDriver, no Firefox WebDriver, you can see in here. Let's check. You can see grid is we don't have anything here. Don't have anything. It's like here. So after that, after you download the browse, so in here you will download anything. The first step you will need to create a bottom event to click in this and some code to run. I will create a bottom which contain the start and attribute click a button click. As you can see after clicking here, after clicking here, after that you will click into here, click into a start. They will run into the code. After you click, we don't have the code here, like here. We don't have the code like here, And the first I will run a code. I will command it. Like you can see in here, I will command with this. Now you can see in here. Yeah. First you will